Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is the AEMOLL, AEMOLL high-speed hair dryer. So we're going to give this thing a try. It's a negative ion hair dryer. So I will get some negative ions. Hopefully it'll give me positive energy with negative ions. There we go. So let's check this out and see what's inside. Possibly. There we go. So if you look at it, it's going to look familiar to one of these popular brands, like the Dyson kind of one. So it's got the stuff going on here. Let's see, remove, tear off this protective film. So it's a lot of protective. That's funny. It's got the protective film, but then it doesn't open. Okay, and then here's another protective film. There's a lot of protective film on here. Okay. Any other protective film? I think we're good. Nope, here's another one. 3 protective films so far. Okay. And then we have this here for the warning. I always cut these things off as soon as I get them, just because otherwise it leaves sticky stuff on your thing, but it is a warning. And I am plugging it in. So this plug has a little circuit breaker little thing too, so that's kind of good. So if it did happen to fall in my sink here, it should be protected. And this is what it looks like here. So let's unwrap it. Okay. Not the longest of cords because I'm sitting here in my kitchen, but you get the idea. So if I push it, oh, that's got a lot of air. Look at that. That's on just level 1. I got a lot of air coming. All that negative ion energy is just giving me power. Okay, so let's see if I push it there. So then I have this, and then I have these buttons here. So this one here is going to be the, wow, even more air. And this is going to blow you away. This is the total power air blower. And, okay, let's try this again. Oh, on that one, this is going to be the temperature. So I'm going to say we are at 70, 90. Oh, so it's all in Celsius. Let me see if I can change it to, how do I change it to Fahrenheit? But let me turn it off for a second. Oh, look at this. This magnetizes on. Oh, that's pretty hot. And then we can get this kind of one here, or I think this is called a diffuser, and that just magnetizes on as well. So pretty cool. And so that's just going to give you that nice little blow. Let me see. Oop, I hit the wrong button. So if you have this, it's got a nice blow. Boy, that blows a lot of air. So that's pretty cool. Let me see what I'm missing here on setting it up or doing anything else here. Let's see what we got. So on here, it's got a little cleaning brush so we can clean it. We have our different care and maintenance and settings and things. I don't necessarily see how to change it to Fahrenheit, but I'm sure I'll figure that out if it even does. It really doesn't matter too much because you either have hot, high, and low kind of thing, so you really don't have a whole lot of choices. When you have it on, you have 50 Celsius, 70, 90, and then I'm guessing that's off. 50, 70, 90, and then, yeah. So you don't have a whole lot of choices, so if you just look up what those 3 are, so it's probably like low, medium, and high on a normal one, but it actually has numbers. So probably pushing enough buttons will give me the information to what I need. Boy, it just puts out so much air. So really cool hair dryer. I'm going to say I like it. Thumbs up.